guys, so today guys we have another two product guys. So again, before we start the vlog, I just want to say thank you to Lensgo. Yeah, we have a Lensgo guys. They sent us two microphone from Lensgo company. So again, Lensgo, thank you very much for these two product. It's been honored that I will test and try and make a video content on these two microphone guys. Again, let's go. Thank you very much. So first we will unbox these two Lensgo product guys. So again, first we have the Lensgo Lwm 318C. This one guys. Yeah, eto siya. So the Lwm 318C is a lavalier wireless microphone. So ayan siya guys. I have couple of wireless microphone, but again we will test and check the quality of this Lensgo Lwm 318C. Ayan. So and the second microphone guys that we have here that they sent us is the Lensgo Lwm DMM2. Yan, is a super and hyper cardioid polar pattern microphone. So and guys, but today's vlog guys, we will test and check this Lwm 318C or 318C. So and guys, let's unbox first the Lwm 318C and we will check. Let's start now guys. Eto siya guys, ang ating, but if you open already, you can see the microphone itself guys. So ang cute. It's two microphone for sure. It's a transmitter and a receiver. So yeah, it's already given the name here, receiver RX and transmitter TX on the label. So again, you can use this microphone for your DSLR or mirrorless camera, iPhone, and any camcorders guys. And even yeah, meron pa dito, you can hang, you can, yeah, let's check guys. I'm excited to do a video on this microphone and test this microphone. So let's go and unbox. Ayan. Ayan. So ito, unbox na natin. Ayan. At yun. So ayan, wala na nasa loob. Okay. So you have your manual guys from down. Yeah, this is the manuals, of course. Yeah, the manual, instruction manual. Okay, it's may English, of course. Next we have yeah, a pouch. Inside the pouch guys, you have this. Okay, so you have your microphone lavalier, of course, with the TRS. Okay, so you have the clip for your lavalier and a 3M, USB to micro. Yeah, USB to micro. You have your TRS to TRS. Of course, for sure, this is for your DSLR and mirrorless camera. Another USB to micro. For sure, this is your charger. And of course, guys, you have the TRS to TRS for mobile. Yeah. And you have your dead cat. And ang dead cat is what? And of course, the main microphone, which is you have the TRS and the trigger and the receiver. So ito siya guys. Ang bagong-bago po. Oh, so this is one guys. It's a very nice looking microphone wireless. Yeah, check natin. That's cool guys because it's a magnetic type. Whoa, so oh, right? It's new for me. This is a new type of a microphone because it's a magnetic type, so it's nice. Good job for the Lensgo for this amazing holder. So you have also here your receiver. It's written here already guys, RX meaning for receiver. It's also magnetic, and the transmitter, which is the TX. Oh, it's very nice guys. Oh. Okay, so you have the dead cap. Ayan. Okay guys, this is the actual sound quality of the lavalier wireless microphone or Lwm 318C Lensgo. So ayan, you have two options guys. Of course, you can use this amazing clip type, which is magnetic type, direct the microphone. Yeah, you can clip, or you can use the lavalier microphone itself guys, that you can attach on the microphone. So in this test, I'm using the wireless microphone directly. So yeah, actually guys, they have a two color of this wireless microphone. They have the black color and this white color. So for me, white color is amazing if you have if you are wearing also a lighter color of shirts or something, if you don't want to hide. But for me, I like this the design is cool and smaller guys. So it's more smaller than the microphone that I'm using before, sorry. So, or I have another microphone, the wireless microphone, but this one guys is smaller compared on that microphone. So I think I like the design. I like the design guys of this microphone, because it's not yeah, it's not big on your shirt. So and it's lighter of course. Again, this is the sound quality guys of the lavalier wireless microphone of the Lensgo, or the LWM 318C. So ayan guys, let's test also this microphone in outdoor. So in outdoor, and we will check the sound quality. Of course, we have over here the dead cat, so you can put also the dead cat guys. So yeah, you can attach direct the dead cat, ganyan mo lang guys, and charan, you have already your dead cat, right? Yeah, so let's check and test in outdoor. So let's go. Hello guys, so yeah, today we're gonna test the microphone. So this is the lavalier wireless microphone from Lensgo, the LWM 318C. Yeah, microphone from Lensgo. So yeah, we are testing the microphone again. So this is the microphone guys, with the dead cat. Of course, we use the dead cat with the microphone, and it's too windy now guys. So yeah, the audio that you hear from now is unedited guys. So this is a raw audio file, so we will not edit the audio, and I'm gonna show you what is the quality of this microphone. But for me guys, the quality of the microphone when I hear for the first time, it's brilliant. It's amazing guys. Yes, for the price of the microphone and the quality of the microphone, I can say that this is a good microphone. So again guys, in 2022, this is my first vlog, the microphone from Lensgo. So again, thank you Lensgo for letting me review and test your microphones. So it's very nice guys. Actually, we have two microphones from Lensgo that they sent from us. So the other one is a shotgun microphone, and I will do a test and vlog on that microphone guys. So again guys, this is the and again, we will try also to use in mobile. So we will test this lavalier wireless microphone 318C to mobile. So let's do a test. Okay guys, so the Lensgo LWM 318C technical specs. So again, this is a omnidirectional microphone with the frequency of 30 hertz to 20 hertz guys, kilohertz, sorry. Signal to noise ratio to 96 dB, with 500 milliamperes rechargeable battery, with up to 4.5 hours battery life guys. So yeah, with maximum operating range up to 50 meters or 164 feet with a clear line of sight. So the audio connectors input is TRS or TRRS cable used with your camera or cell phone. And guys, with the transmitter mic unit, weight up to 30 grams. So the mic dimension guys is 67, this is the mic, yan, 67 millimeter long, which is ito, and with 26 millimeter height and 30 millimeters wide. So ayan guys, this microphone guys, there's no gain adjustment, and even the high pass filter is not available. But again guys, the sound quality of this microphone is amazing. When I first test this microphone, it's good guys, and it's good for your budget. So if you are looking for a budget microphone for your camera and cell phone or any smartphone, this microphone is good for you guys for starter. So yeah, if you are into videography for interview or any types of vlogging or content creator, this budget microphone guys, it's best for you. So again guys, this is the Lensgo Lwm 318C microphone. And again guys, so this is the sound quality of the Lensgo LWM or the lavalier wireless microphone 318C to our smartphone guys. So we're using now the smartphone for this recording on this clip guys. So again, and also guys, we have a noise coming from our AC or aircon. So yeah, again see. So but again guys, still the Lensgo wireless microphone or the Lensgo wireless LWM 318C is a very nice sound quality. Again, when I hear and test the microphone for the first time, it's good guys. For the budget or for the budget and for the price range of this microphone, you have a decent sound quality. Again, this is the sound quality of the Lensgo Lwm 318C. So and guys, again, we will switch now to the camera. And that's it for today guys. So for today's test, I tried already the Lensgo Lwm 318C to the mobile and for our camera. So we did some tests guys, and I hear the sound quality, it's amazing guys. For the sound for the price range of this lavalier microphone, it's amazing on this price range. Again, for me, I will rather recommend this microphone guys. It's a very nice microphone. Again, thank you to the Lensgo letting me to unbox and try the microphone. So Lensgo, I like the microphone. It's very nice and very unique. So the magnetic style, yan, it's amazing. Yan, diba? Oh, nahulog pa. Oh, so it's easy to use and yeah, it's compact. So yeah, you can reposition the microphone itself guys. But again, the sound quality is amazing guys. Even I didn't edit the sound guys. For all the clips that I use with this microphone, it's raw file guys. It's not I didn't edit or make some adjustment on the sound. So again, this is the sound quality guys of the Lensgo Lwm 318C. So again, thank you from the Lensgo. Thank you to Mayding from Lensgo for letting me check the microphone and test, and yeah, it's amazing microphone guys. So if you want to check their microphone from Lensgo, you can check their website. I will put the link in the description, the website, their links, the Facebook, the Instagram. So all the Lensgo microphone that they have, I'll show you guys in the description. So again, on the next vlog guys, we will do more vlog regarding this wireless lavalier Lwm 318C, because it's amazing microphone guys. Maybe I will do one vlog from sneakers using this microphone. Again, we will use as a main microphone this lavalier, the Lwm 318C. So it's good for content creator or for vloggers or any videographers out there. And if you need a wireless microphone with a good price or in a good budget, this is lavalier microphone is best on your budget. So again guys, if you are looking or searching for a budget wireless microphone, this wireless lavalier microphone guys, it's one of the best. So again, on the next vlog guys, we will use the Lensgo Lwm DDM2 shotgun O super and hydroid cardioid polar pattern microphone o shotgun microphone, para so super cardioid microphone o shotgun microphone o ano pa ang tawag dito, right? So again, I think that's it for today. Again, once again, thank you to Maria Lensgo for the microphone, for these two amazing microphone, the LWM 318C and the LYM DDM2. So again guys, we will do more review regarding this lavalier, amazing lavalier microphone. So again, I will put the link where you can purchase this microphone. So again guys, thank you, and ayun, shoutout nga para for kay Derek Brian Puntanar at kay Palaboy OFW. So ayun, at check nyo PBK 2.0 guys sa Facebook. Yan, may mga patawa kami doon. So again, thank you and mabuhay.